In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox Series S or X to a CRT TV like this one. It's really not that complicated, and I'll show you each steps you need to take. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to connect the HDMI cable over here where it says HDMI out. Then for the next step, you'll need an HDMI to RCA adapter like this one. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon or anything else I'm showing you in this video. Make sure it's HDMI to RCA and not RCA to HDMI. Then take your cable and connect it to the HDMI port. Now you will notice here there's an NTSC/PAL selector. I'll put a map on the screen right now showing you which one of these you should choose depending which region you're currently located in this world. In my case, it's NTSC, so I'll put it on the left. Then this adapter requires power, and in the box it came with a cable, so I'll just connect it over here, and this is connected to a charger like this. And here we have some RCA outputs. You'll need an RCA cable like this one. Connect the yellow with the yellow, white with the white, and red with the red. Now the other end here, if you have a CRT TV that has some ports on the front or in the back that are inputs for these RCA cables, sometimes there's only two and that's perfectly fine. Go ahead and connect these to the TV directly and you'll be done. But what if your TV, like mine, does not have such ports and only have an antenna port on the back? No problem, I'll show you what to do. So you'll need one of these devices that is an RF converter. I think this is how you call it. This requires power and it comes with a power cable in the box. Connect it here. Then connect your RCA cables to the input of this device. You'll need a coaxial RF cable like this one, pretty standard. And on the other side, connect it to the port that says to TV. Then you have a small selector here that you can switch between channel 3 or channel 4 depending on which channel you prefer having your Xbox. I prefer channel 3, so I'll leave it on the left side. So the cable that goes from that adapter goes directly into the antenna input of the TV. Turn on your TV and then turn on your Xbox. Make sure that the TV is set on channel 3. And here we go. It powers on and you can go ahead and do the same thing you're doing with your regular TV. So let me open a game. If you have some issues with the resolution or maybe the aspect ratio, I'll show you what to do. So just press the Xbox logo over here and we need to go into the settings. So go up there where it says settings. And from here, we're going to go into general, then TV and display options. I know you don't see well, but over here, we're going to have resolution. The first thing, press A, and we can choose between 1080p and 720p. I suggest you try both of these and check which one works the best with your TV. You can also go into advanced video mode. And here I suggest you play with these settings as well. I know this one says allow 4K. And if you uncheck it, maybe it could improve the resolution for you since this is a low resolution screen. Anyway, try these and find the best settings since it really depends on which CRT TV models you have. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.